Okay, my dear students, today we are going to discuss about Big M method. We'll take the problem and I'll explain how you can solve the problems in the Big M method. So they have given the problem like this: z minimum equal to 3x1 plus 4x2 subjected to the constraint. Actually, the special thing in this case is in the previous problems we have the inequality is less than or equal to. We are adding the positive slack variable and that variable we are making as a basic variables. But in this case it's not like that. The inequality is given as greater than or equal to. Because of that reason, what I'll do is, in order to convert these inequalities into equations, I'll add negative slack variables x3 equal to 8 and also 5x1 plus 2x2 minus x4 equal to 12. So now I'll write the z max for this. Z max equal to, actually they have given z minimization. So actually we know how to solve the problem in the z max. So because of that reason, I'll convert the minimization into maximization by multiplying the minus. So this will becomes minus 3x1 minus 4x2 minus 0x3 minus 0x4 x1 comma x2 comma x3 and x4 greater than or equal to 0. So this is what we are doing in the previous cases. If I done like this, already I told for you people the simplex method will not evaluate infeasible solutions. If I make the extra variables as minus x3, if I make extra variables are the basic variable, we are getting the values of RHS will be negative. Because of that reason, in order to avoid that, what we are doing is we are adding some more extra variables for these equations, a1 and also a2. If I add these two variables, then that variables are called as the artificial variables. Actually, these artificial variables will not have any contribution. Actually, it will have a small contribution. Because of that reason, so what I'll do is I'll represent it as minus m_a1 minus m_a2. Because of this small contribution, actually this m will be the positive value. So because of the conversion, actually this will become minus m. Okay, we have a small contribution to the objective function. So then we can consider a1 comma a2 will be a non-negative value. Okay, actually the a1 and a2 are the artificial variables. In order to make our solution in a simple manner, in order to find out the solution, we have used this. Actually this will not be there in the final solution. Somehow we have to eliminate these artificial variable in this problem. Okay, understood why we have added the artificial variable? Because if I take x3 and x4 or the basic variable, the RHS will becomes a negative. But in our simplex method, we don't want negative values in the RHS. Somehow we have to make it as a positive. So that's why we have added the artificial variables a1 and a2. Actually, it will have a small contribution that will be represented in minus m. So actually represented in m. Actually, this because of this m only, the method is called as the Big M method. So after this, what you have to do is we have to draw the table like this, because we are doing the same thing in the earlier problems also. Write all the variables x1, x2, x3, x4, a1, a2. This is RHS value you have to write. Okay. So now you have to make it a1 and a2 are the basic variables. So now write all the values inside the table. So first constraint value is 2, 3, minus 1, 0, 1, 0, 8. And in this case 5, 2, 0, minus 1, 0, 1, 12. Actually these constraints will have these variables, artificial variables will have the coefficient minus m. And also these variables will have minus 3, minus 4, 0, 0, minus m, minus m. So these are all the values are called as the Cj values. Once you write all the values, the next thing, so what you have to do is you have to identify the Zj. You people are know how to find out Zj. So that is minus m into 2 plus minus m into 5. So this will becomes minus 7m minus 5m. In this case, plus m minus m minus m. No need to find out the value of this, okay? Because we need to eliminate these artificial variables. Okay, so now this will become Cj. Actually, you have to find out after finding the Zj, you have to find out the Cj minus Zj. Cj minus Zj values will becomes minus 3 minus of minus 7m. This will becomes 7m minus 3, 5m minus 4 minus m minus m minus m plus m. This will becomes 0. Okay, you see here we have the basic variables a1 and a2. In Cj minus Zj the values are 0, 0. After this, what you have to do is you have to find out the largest value in Cj minus Zj by looking these values. 7m minus 3 will becomes a larger value. So that means that the corresponding variable is entering into the basis. Actually, in this case, the x1 is entering, a1 and a2 in this, which one is going out? In order to find out that, we have to find out the theta, that is 8 divided RHS divided by the corresponding entering variable value. This will becomes 4, 12 divided by 5, this will becomes 2.4. This is the smallest value. So that means that this variable is going out. This is called as the living variable and this row is called as the living row. After finding the living row, you have to find out the pivot element. The pivot element is intersection of entering variable and also living variable. So that will give the pivot element. So you circle that pivot element. Okay, now A1 is going out, A2 is going out. Instead of A2, so we have x1 in this place. Okay. So now in order to get the values of x1, divide this row with the pivot element. You will get the values 2 by 5, this one is 0, minus 1 by 5, 0, 1 by 5, this one is 12 by 5. Don't keep 2.4, so you keep fractional values. So now we need to find out the values of a1 by using old a1 and also new x1. How you are finding? First what you have to do is which variables are the basic variable. So you have to maintain the identity matrix for this. How you are maintaining? Already x1 we got 1. We need to get 0 here. We need to get 1 here. To get 0 and 1 in this place, what the operation you can do? So what I'll do now here is, in order to get new a1, so what I'll do is I'll subtract x1 by multiplying 2 for this and subtracting from a1. So that is old a1 minus 2 into new x1, that will give new a1. If I done like that, what the values you are getting? 2 minus 2 into 1, 0. 3 minus 2 into 2 by 5. What is the value you are getting? 3 minus 4 by 5. This will be 15 minus 4 by 5. This will becomes 11 by 5. You are getting 11 by 5 is the value in this. Okay. Next, in this case, minus 1, 2 into 0, you are getting minus 1. 0 minus 2 into minus 1 by 5, this will becomes 0 minus 2 into minus 1 by this, automatically it will becomes plus 2 by 5. 1 minus 2 into 0, 1. 0 minus 2 into 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5. Okay, and this one will becomes 8 minus 2 into 12 divided by 5. This one becomes 8 minus 24 divided by 5. So this will becomes 40 minus 24 divided by 5. This will become 16 divided by 5. Okay. So once you got this, what is the coefficient of this is minus m, and the coefficient of this one will be minus 3. So you have to find out Zj now. What is the Zj value you are getting? This one is minus 3. This one is minus 11 by 5 m minus 6 by 5. Okay, and this one is positive m, and this one is minus 2 by 5 m plus 3 by 5. This one is minus m, this one is 2 by 5 m minus 3 by 5 we got. Okay, so next find out Cj minus Zj. So I'll write directly the values. Minus 3 plus 3, this will becomes a 0. This one will becomes, so actually, so because of minus 4, so we are getting the value is directly. I'll write for you people. So you have to calculate 11 by 5 m minus 14 divided by 5. Okay, so I'll show one for you people, then remaining you have to do. So that is minus 4 minus 11 by 5 m minus 6 by 5, minus 6 by 5. So I'll show one for you people, dear students. Remaining things you have to calculate. This will becomes 11 by 5 m. This will becomes minus 4 plus 6 by 5. So then this will becomes minus 20 plus 6 divided by 5. This will become minus 14 divided by 5. This side we can have 11 by 5 m, 11 by 5 m. So this one we got here is 11 by 5 m minus 14 by 5. The remaining things you have to calculate. I'll write directly. So this will becomes minus 4. So this will becomes 2 by 5 m minus 3 by 5, and this will becomes minus m and plus m. This will become 0, and this value will be 2 by 5 m minus 3 by 5. So these are the values we got Cj minus Zj. So now you see here in this, which one is a greater? We have 11 by 5 m minus 14 by 5 minus m and 2 by 5 m. So and also this one is, we have 2 by 5 m minus, actually this one will be minus 2 by 5 m minus 2 by 5 m plus 3 by 5. Minus 2 by 5 m plus 3 by 5 is the value we got. Okay, so which one is a greater in this? Actually this one is a greater value. This variable is entering into the basis. Which one is going out? We need to find out a theta. So how we are finding? So RHS 16 divided by 5 divided by 11 by 5. So this will give us 16 divided by 11. Same manner we got 12 divided by 2. This will become 6. So this one is the minimum value. So this will becomes the pivot element. Then this variable is going out. Instead of this variable, x2 is in that place. X1 remains the same. Okay. So now divide this row with the pivot element. You are getting 0, 1, minus 5 by 11. And also this one is 2 by 11. And also this one is 5 by 11. This one is minus 2 by 11, 16 by 11 is the value. Okay, already you know that x1 and x2 are the basic variables. So actually it has to maintain the identity matrix. We need to get 1 and 0. To get these values, what the operation you have to do? So in order to get 1, 0 in this place. So actually, so what you have to do is, you have to do row operation or column operation. That means that, so that will be addition, subtraction, multiplication. Okay, in order to get a new x1, so by using old x1 minus 2 by 5 into new x2. If I do this operation, you will get 1 here. 1 minus 2 by 5 into 0, 1. 2 by 5 minus 2 by 5 into 1, you are getting 0. You apply this formula, you will get the values. What I'll do now here is, I'll write directly all the values because time consuming. So I'll write this. You will get 2 by 11, you will get 3 by 11, you will get minus 2 by 11 and also 3 by 11. Finally, we will get 20 by 11 in this. Okay. After this, what are all the coefficient of x2? Minus 4, minus 3. find out the Zj in this. Minus 4 into 0 plus minus 3 into 1, you are getting minus 3. Same manner, minus 4, you are getting 14 by 11. Do the calculation, my dear students. I am writing directly. Okay, so you have to do the calculations. If you have any queries, you make a call or you through a mail you can contact. Okay, minus 1 by 11. Okay, and find out the, so the Z max, we got minus 4 into 16 is minus 64 by 11 plus minus 3 into 20, 60 by 11. So this will be minus, totally minus 124 by 11. We got minus 124 by 11 is the value. Once you got Zj, find out Cj minus Zj. What is the Cj minus Zj value in this case here is minus 3 plus 3, this will become 0. Minus 3 minus 3, this will become plus, then 0. Same manner, this is also plus 4. Minus 4 plus 4 cancel, you will get 0. Minus 14 by 11, 0 minus 1 by 11 is minus 1 by 11. So this will becomes, actually this one is minus m plus 14 by 11. This will becomes minus m plus 1 by 11. And finally, so we got this one is 124 by 11 is the this one minus this one we got is minus 124 by 11. So now you see Cj minus Zj values, all the values are 0, 0, negative, negative, m value is minus m, here also the m value is minus m. So that means that your big M algorithm, it terminates. Finally you have to write what is the value of x2. The x2 value here is 16 by 11 and x1 value will be 20 by 11. And also we got Z max equal to minus 124 by 11. Actually we need to convert this one into Z minimum by multiplying the minus. Z minimum equal to 124 by 11 is the final answer for this problem. Okay, so in this way you have to do the big M method problems. Okay, so my dear student, I solve only one problem. What you have to do is take some more problems from your textbook, try to solve this or try to solve all those problems. If you have any doubt, you please contact me. Okay, so in this way you have to solve a big M method problems. Okay, thank you.